So today I'm going to be showing you all around Jungwon University campus, the university that is hosting us during our Fulbright orientation. But this is what it looks like when you turn onto campus, and then a little bit down the road, the main part of campus is on the right. This is the main building here on campus. It has all of the classrooms, all of the offices and student offices. The bottom level has the cafeteria, and it also connects to the main dormitory. Here's a view a bit further back of the main building. In front of the main building, there's kind of an open field, and so this video I took while I was taking a walk around the field. It was a bit snowy today, so it's hard to see the details of the campus, but when it isn't snowy, it was pretty beautiful here. There's also a museum and a botanical garden on campus. They had some tanks and some planes that I think were part of the museum. And you'll see there is a statue. No, that is not a real person, but there's some signs kind of explaining more about the planes and the tanks that are here on campus. And then here is the statue garden on campus with the botanical garden behind it. There are so many statues here, it's kind of hard to see because of the snow, but walking around this area was really cool. Here you can get a closer look at some of the statues. We even have some dinosaurs, including a small Godzilla on the left. Coming around, we have Mickey and Minnie, we have some dolphins, just a whole bunch of different things. Here's a better video, maybe you can see some of them when it wasn't so snowy out. Up next, here's a up-high view of campus from the 11th floor. You can see the field as well as the pond, the green area on the left, as well as behind the field there's also an area for golfing. This is the back side of campus here. There's a dojo, there's actually even a water park here, which is pretty cool. There's another building on the right, and then on the left as it's swing around, this is the main dorm building. Good morning. Sorry for the noise or some construction behind me, but I'm gonna show you how I get to class. So let me turn this around and we'll get started. So right now I'm kind of in an underground walkway between the main building and the dorm. Sadly, we cannot go through the walkway. So that's the dorm on the left where I come out of. Over there, I'll show you later, is the lounge and the convenience store. We head up this way to the main part of the building. Greeted by the beautiful sunrise over the mountains. But we're already here at the building. As you can see, it's a way shorter walk than when I attended Korea University, and also way less stairs. Not mad about that. But it takes about 2 to 3 minutes just to walk around to the front of the building, and then I'll head up to 6th floor for my Korean classes for the day. Hello all, I just wanted to film a quick little room tour of the dorm I have been staying in for the past 3 weeks and for the next 2 weeks. So this is it. There's more on that side, but I'll get to that later. We'll start with the front door. Back when I was quarantined, I wasn't allowed to leave this door or leave this room. I could only at most open the door, grab my food on the outside. But the nice thing about this door is that it makes a little sound when it locks. So I get to listen to that every time I close the door. But right to the right of the door, I have my shoe closet. So I normally keep my coat, masks, and my name tag up here. And then down below, we have some of my shoes on both sides. But then, right to the right as well is my bathroom. And yes, I am wearing shorts in the winter. It's warm in here. I was cleaning. So this is my bathroom. We have a sink that doubles as a shower because we have this shower head that detaches. So that's why there's a drain on the floor, because this bathroom is also the shower. But just toilet, sink, shower head. Also cabinets over here. I've kind of spread out and put my stuff in there. And then I keep kind of my shampoo and conditioner down there. But yeah, if you remember from my tour video from the last dorm I was in at KU 2 years ago, there's lots of mirrors. So that continues. Got mirror, mirror, mirror. And then back into the main hallway, or the main room, I guess. Over here we got my light switches. We have something to control the heat, as well as something to control the heated floors, which is really nice. But this is kind of the main part of the dorm. This dorm is normally meant for 3 people, but per COVID regulations, it's just me. So I have it all to myself. I have 2 desks and a bed in this side of the room. So this is kind of the main desk where I do stuff. Got family pictures. I have some notes from friends that I've made here in Korea. Over here I have notes from friends back home, as well as some pictures from friends and more family back home. And if you've seen my other videos, you know that we did this craft where we made origami hanbok, and I've kind of gone crazy with that. So I got more paper to do that today. So that's first desk. Second desk, this is kind of the overflow desk. I have kind of my notebooks, my extra Korean textbooks over here. This is also where I keep my snacks. And over here we got some extra writing supplies. Then down here, we got a bed. This is actually where I slept the first few nights I was in Korea. But then one night I was having really bad headaches and it was too bright in here because there's a little like sign above the door that shows it's an exit, and that was too bright for me. So I ended up moving over there, but we'll get that in a sec. So bed over here, one half of the window. I have my window open right now, but the view from up in this windowsill, I'll be honest, is subpar. I can mainly just see the side of the main building, but it'll do. And so then this is a closet that I don't really use. So that was this side of the room. Next we have that side of the room. It's separated, there's a doorway, and then also these windows that can slide across and shut, but I normally just keep them open. So now for my bed, don't look over there yet. So here is my bed. This is the main closet that I use. I have like stuff over there, like a journal, some more family pictures, water in case I get thirsty. And then I don't really hang up too much. I didn't bring any hangers, and so I got a few from the office downstairs, but I just hung up kind of nice clothes and dresses. So that's what's in here. Hello, mirror. And then I've kind of turned this other desk into my closet. The other bed and the other dresser I don't really use, except maybe to set my suitcases on. I didn't unpack everything, but just kind of some of my nicer clothes because we wear business casual most of the time. So I have like shirts and sweaters, pants, pajamas, cardigans, and things like that. But so this is my little corner. I sleep over there because it's the darkest, especially at night. I'll kind of close the blinds over here. But yeah, not too much going on in here. It's pretty small, but it's enough room for me, and I like it here. It's become homey, especially since I was trapped in here for, well, not trapped, but I was quarantining in here for 10 days. So anyway, that's my room. Hope you enjoyed it. I did try and clean up today. It might not look like it, but I did clean up, so did that just for ya. Anyway, that's my room. Peace out.